Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Came back with another interesting video in marketing analytics with Python. So in this particular video, we are going to assess how we can actually create a marketing funnel based on the data set or the information we do have at hand. So what is actually a funnel, you might ask? So a funnel shows customers drop off at each stage. For example, a customer company runs a marketing campaign. They have registered customers who actually registered for a particular product. Out of that registered product, out of that total count, the customers who actually registered for that product, a few of them actually made the purchase, the first purchase. And out of that customers who made the first purchase, a very few of the version of that person is actually the customers who actually made subsequent order. So in that case, we sort of create a funnel. Like the top funnel are the registered customer, the mid funnel is actually the customer who made first purchase, and the last funnel, which is more profitable to a company, is the customer who made subsequent count. So this is a kind of a funnel theory behind it. So we are actually able to visualize it graphically through the help of Python. So first of all, we import the important libraries. We have pandas, we have Matplotlib. So this is here where the actual calculation will go on. You will see that we have like three variables: total registered customers, the total number of customers that actually register for that particular purchase. In our case, it would be the total length of the data frame we do have at hand. Then we would like to see out of those registered customers how many actually made the first purchase. So here we sort of have created a mask here, and based on that mask we are only extracting those values where the first order profit is greater than zero. That means the customer has made the first purchase, and once we kind of made it, we would like to have some sort of dot shape comma. Then we would like to implement this method shape and extract the rows value out of it. So it will give us only the count of rows that we do have where this condition is met true. So this is how we actually calculate the total number of customers who actually made the first purchase. In the same way, we will have create a mask here where we set a condition that subsequent order counts should be greater than zero. It means that these are the customers who actually made repeated purchase. And once we create a mask, once we have those only specific those rows, then we apply this method shape to extract the relevant count of rows in that particular context. And once we have that, so we have all three variables at hand. We have total registered, we have first order, and we have repeated order count. From that information, we would like to create two lists here. The first one is actually the stages that define the stages of funnel, so which is actually a list of string variables. We have registered, first order, and repeated order, and then we have value list, where we have the actual value being stored in it. And once we have that, we are simply going to run a for loop for the total amount of stages that we do have at hand. So you can see that we have this for loop here for I in range length values. So we have like three values, so it will run from 0, 1, 2 index. And based on that, we are going to simply going to generate bar plot and horizontal condition, like horizontal bar plot. So we have like registered, we have like first count, and we have repeated orders, and we have number of counts on the x-axis. So this is how we are actually able to visualize a funnel in Python. Obviously, you can further modify the code to make it look more like a funnel uh, appearance. Like for example, in this case, you can see that it's more of a robust funnel like type. Or you can have further do the manipulation and kind of come up with some sort of stuff like that. We have registered, out of those first order were actually the same as the registered, and the repeated order count were somewhere like the two-third of that particular amount. So I hope these insights have been helpful. So funnel qualify how effectively our marketing converts a customer from registered to a buyer to a repeated buyer. pinpoint where the largest drop off to optimize campaigns. So you can see that there are almost like 10,000 customers who are not actually making the repeated count. So we might want to look into that and further investigate how we can further compel those customers to make repeated purchases to the have effective analysis of demographics, marketing channel types efforts as well. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out.